I will go shopping later.
I will go shopping later.
I will call my grandmother tomorrow.
I will call my grandmother tomorrow.
I cleaned my room yesterday.
I cleaned my room yesterday.
They are watching a new show now.
They are watching a new show now.
We're going on holiday next week.
We are going on holiday next week.
We will celebrate his birthday next month.
We will celebrate his birthday next month.
She wants to travel abroad next year.
She wants to travel abroad next year.
He stayed in London for a month.
He stayed in London for a month.
I practiced piano for 2 hours.
I practiced piano for 2 hours.
They rented a cottage for a week.
They rented a cottage for a week.
I haven't seen that movie yet.
I haven't seen that movie yet.
I might buy new clothes later.
I might buy new clothes later.
The package will arrive tomorrow.
The package will arrive tomorrow.
I called my parents yesterday.
I called my parents yesterday.
I am cooking dinner now.
I am cooking dinner now.
I will start my new job next week.
I will start my new job next week.
I have a doctor's appointment next month.
I have a doctor's appointment next month.
We plan to launch our business next year.
We plan to launch our business next year.
I will stay at my friend's place for a month.
I will stay at my friend's place for a month.
They practiced swimming for 3 hours.
They practiced swimming for 3 hours.
I stayed in that hotel for a week.
I stayed in that hotel for a week.
Has the train arrived yet?
Has the train arrived yet?
She plans to call me later.
She plans to call me later.
We will clean the house tomorrow.
We will clean the house tomorrow.
We went grocery shopping yesterday.
We went grocery shopping yesterday.
I am checking my emails now.
I am checking my emails now.
I have an exam next week.
I have an exam next week.
He will move to a new house next month.
He will move to a new house next month.
They will graduate from university next year.
They will graduate from university next year.
He traveled around Europe for a month.
He traveled around Europe for a month.
He will run for 30 minutes.
He will run for 30 minutes.
We will rent a car for a week.
We will rent a car for a week.
They haven't decided on a date yet.
They haven't decided on a date yet.
We will continue the meeting later.
We will continue the meeting later.
I will bake fresh bread tomorrow.
I will bake fresh bread tomorrow.
I cooked a big meal yesterday.
I cooked a big meal yesterday.
They're playing the piano now.
They are playing the piano now.
I will see my dentist next week.
I will see my dentist next week.
She will start her internship next month.
She will start her internship next month.
We're planning a big trip next year.
We're planning a big trip next year.
He will stay in Tokyo for a month.
He will stay in Tokyo for a month.
We'll drive for 6 hours before stopping.
We'll drive for 6 hours before stopping.
She practiced dancing for a week before the show.
She practiced dancing for a week before the show.
I haven't tried that recipe yet.
I haven't tried that recipe yet.
I'll see you again later.
I'll see you again later.
He wants to send the email tomorrow.
He wants to send the email tomorrow.
We went to a live concert yesterday.
We went to a live concert yesterday.
I am reading a book now.
I am reading a book now.
He has a trip scheduled next week.
He has a trip scheduled next week.
I will move to a new city next month.
I will move to a new city next month.
The company will expand internationally next year.
The company will expand internationally next year.
She will study in Paris for a month.
She will study in Paris for a month.
He will practice guitar for 2 hours.
He will practice guitar for 2 hours.
The course runs for a week.
The course runs for a week.
Did you finish the report yet?
Did you finish the report yet?
Let's talk about the details later.
Let's talk about the details later.
I will pick up my car tomorrow.
I will pick up my car tomorrow.
He played soccer with friends yesterday.
He played soccer with friends yesterday.
We are practicing yoga now.
We are practicing yoga now.
The conference is scheduled for next week.
The conference is scheduled for next week.
The exhibition opens next month.
The exhibition opens next month.
The Olympics will be held next year.
The Olympics will be held next year.
She will volunteer abroad for a month.
She will volunteer abroad for a month.
The meeting went on for 3 hours.
The meeting went on for 3 hours.
We're going camping for a week.
We're going camping for a week.
She hasn't opened the gift yet.
She hasn't opened the gift yet.
I will review this document later.
I'll review this document later.
We can finish that puzzle tomorrow.
We can finish that puzzle tomorrow.
I wrote in my journal yesterday.
I wrote in my journal yesterday.
I am responding to emails now.
I am responding to emails now.
They're moving to a new house next week.
They're moving to a new house next week.
They're getting married next month.
They're getting married next month.
She will complete her PhD next year.
She will complete her PhD next year.
They will rent the apartment for a month.
They will rent the apartment for a month.
We waited for 2 hours at the airport.
We waited for 2 hours at the airport.
He was sick for a week.
He was sick for a week.
I haven't booked my flight yet.
I haven't booked my flight yet.
We should book the tickets later.
We should book the tickets later.
She plans to submit her work tomorrow.
She plans to submit her work tomorrow.
We watched a new series yesterday.
We watched a new series yesterday.
We're having breakfast now.
We're having breakfast now.
We're expecting visitors next week.
We're expecting visitors next week.
The new policy starts next month.
The new policy starts next month.
We're expecting our first child next year.
We're expecting our first child next year.
The training program lasts for a month.
The training program lasts for a month.
She worked on the project for 5 hours.
She worked on the project for 5 hours.
The festival continues for a week.
The festival continues for a week.
We haven't picked a restaurant yet.
We haven't picked a restaurant yet.
Please remind me again later.
Please remind me again later.
I'll visit the new cafe tomorrow.
I'll visit the new cafe tomorrow.
She called her boss yesterday.
She called her boss yesterday.
I'm reviewing the contract now.
I'm reviewing the contract now.
The new semester begins next week.
The new semester begins next week.
We're launching the product next month.
We're launching the product next month.
The new regulations take effect next year.
The new regulations take effect next year.
I lived in Japan for a month last year.
I lived in Japan for a month last year.
I studied for 4 hours yesterday.
I studied for 4 hours yesterday.
They want to rest for a few hours.
They want to rest for a few hours.
I haven't started the assignment yet.
I haven't started the assignment yet.
I'll check on the garden later.
I'll check on the garden later.
She will get her results tomorrow.
She will get her results tomorrow.
I visited my uncle yesterday.
I visited my uncle yesterday.
He is writing a letter now.
He is writing a letter now.
We're expecting visitors next week.
We're expecting visitors next week.
The deadline for the project is tomorrow.
The deadline for the project is tomorrow.
I'll work in Spain for a month.
I'll work in Spain for a month.
He can concentrate for long hours.
He can concentrate for long hours.
We haven't planned our route yet.
We haven't planned our route yet.
Have they called you yet?
Have they called you yet?
She can explain the details later.
She can explain the details later.
They want to go hiking tomorrow.
They want to go hiking tomorrow.
We took the bus yesterday.
We took the bus yesterday.
I am learning a new language now.
I am learning a new language now.
I have an important exam next week.
I have an important exam next week.
She will visit her parents next month.
She will visit her parents next month.
I hope to buy a house next year.
I hope to buy a house next year.
I'll explore the city for a week.
I'll explore the city for a week.
Did you hear the news yet?
Did you hear the news yet?
They haven't signed the contract yet.
They haven't signed the contract yet.
He'll finish the painting later.
He'll finish the painting later.
I'll paint the fence tomorrow.
I'll paint the fence tomorrow.
She played the violin yesterday.
She played the violin yesterday.
We're rearranging the furniture now.
We're rearranging the furniture now.
He has a trip scheduled next week.
He has a trip scheduled next week.
The exhibition opens next month.
The exhibition opens next month.
The company will expand internationally next year.
The company will expand internationally next year.
He stayed in London for a month.
He stayed in London for a month.
Have we solved that issue yet?
Have we solved that issue yet?
She hasn't told him the truth yet.
She hasn't told him the truth yet.
I will explain everything later.
I will explain everything later.
We want to visit the gallery tomorrow.
We want to visit the gallery tomorrow.
They painted the living room yesterday.
They painted the living room yesterday.
He is relaxing in the garden now.
He is relaxing in the garden now.
The conference is scheduled for next week.
The conference is scheduled for next week.
The new policy starts next month.
The new policy starts next month.
The Olympics will be held next year.
The Olympics will be held next year.
They practiced swimming for 3 hours.
They practiced swimming for 3 hours.
Has the package been delivered yet?
Has the package been delivered yet?
I haven't heard from them yet.
I haven't heard from them yet.
I might visit your office later.
I might visit your office later.
He plans to go jogging tomorrow.
He plans to go jogging tomorrow.
I reorganized my closet yesterday.
I reorganized my closet yesterday.
I am listening to music now.
I am listening to music now.
I will start my new job next week.
I will start my new job next week.
She will start her internship next month.
She will start her internship next month.
She wants to travel abroad next year.
She wants to travel abroad next year.
They rented a cottage for a week.
They rented a cottage for a week.
Has she arrived yet?
Has she arrived yet?
Did he confirm the payment yet?
Did he confirm the payment yet?